guys, so this is Queen Plus Hair from Amazon. I have two 14-inch bundles and one 14-inch frontal. So I'm using Adore hair color in lavender and platinum to color the hair. I'm covering the inside of my lace with Got To Be hairspray so that the color doesn't bleed through and stain my lace. So guys, I went in with lavender first and I pretty much used the whole bottle. And then I used probably half the bottle of platinum because I didn't want it to be too silver, but I did want it to have that tint to it. So this is like my first time ever watercoloring hair, so do not make the same mistake as me. I thought I only needed 2 bottles of color, which I really needed 3, or I really needed 4, but I got away with 3. So I ended up having to go back and get another bottle of lavender because I didn't put all the bundles in at the same time. So this first bundle that I put in pretty much soaked up all the color. And then the second bundle, it ended up just being like silver instead of lavender because that's pretty much all that was left. Because I had more in the platinum, so I ended up pouring that in there and it just did not take. So please get enough color and put all your bundles in at once. So guys, it took 3 bottles of lavender and 1 bottle of platinum to get to this color, and I was so happy with how it turned out. This is exactly what my client wanted. Now it's time for the install, because I know this is what y'all been waiting for. So I always do a simple braid down. Like, it's super simple. Like, I just do skinny braids straight to the back. And I like to moisturize my client's scalp and their hair. You know, hair care under your wigs and installments is really important, ladies. Please do not forget that step. Like, you do not want dry ass hair under your wig. Ghost Bond is my adhesive of choice. If you guys use another adhesive that you really like, please comment below and let me know, because I want to try different things. I'm also using like a knee high as my cap. I stopped using wig caps because knee highs are just so much better. Comment below for a balding cap tutorial. Just have your client hold the sides of the lace down while you sew the frontal so that it's tight and like the fit is right for their head, because if you don't have them hold it, like, it could be way too far up or too far back, or it could move around while you're trying to sew. And another way to do this is to use an elastic band. I really like the elastic band method. So I think the best way to glue your lace down is to start in the middle and then work your way to the side. My client's head was so freaking round, like it kept bunching up in the middle, but we got it. We made it work. Here you can see I'm just taking my shears to create like just some soft baby hairs around her hairline, and then I'm just gonna go through and style the frontal, like flat iron this hair. It's a lot of steps to this, guys. I gotta flat iron her hair, then I'm gonna use my hot comb, like really get it flat. I'm gonna take that hairspray and get it sleek, and then I'm going to fuck these edges up. I'm just playing. These take a lot of time, and it takes perfection. Like, every time you do one of these, like, you're practicing. I feel like you could never get one like super perfect. Like, they only get better. Like, I really like this install. I feel like this was a really good install for me, but I feel like it could get so much better, and like, this is just the beginning. I'm really excited to do more installs like this, and I can't wait to share more information with you guys. And I really hope you like this video. Tell me what you think about the results. My client was super happy, and she is fine. Like, this really fits her skin tone with this color. Like, I'm here for it. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.